Perform this one simple hack to lose 2 pounds of body fat every 48 hours while lying on your bed, without making a single change to your diet. This call would lead to the biggest breakthrough in the natural weight loss industry in the world. A breakthrough that allowed my mom to lose 79 pounds of pure body fat and 11 inches around her waist in only 8 weeks, as she reversed her diabetes, lowered her blood pressure and rejuvenated her energy with just one simple hack. And best of all, she did this without any exercise or going on a starvation diet. In fact, she freed herself from all her obesity-related health issues laying on her bed, recovering from her broken hip, eating all her favorite foods. And in almost a weird way, I am happy that we experienced this horrible event, as her struggles uncovered the biggest conspiracy in the 21st century. One that revealed the truth about the health and food industry and how those multi-billion-dollar health corporations purposely lie to keep you obese. Freeing over 21,545 men and women from these crippling and gut-wrenching lies. 21,545 men and women just like you in their 40s, 50s, 60s, 70s and even 80s who can't perform those insane high-intensity workouts like P90X, Insanity or even CrossFit without injury. And who are tired of being lied to by companies like Jenny Craig, NutriHealth, Atkins Diet and Weight Watchers, because those starvation programs destroy your gut health and are designed for you to fail. Men and women over 40, who on average lose 7 pounds of pure body fat a week, including your stubborn belly fat, love handles, annoying back fat without a single workout, while eating all your favorite foods including pasta, lasagna, steak and even ice cream. Now, you might think you have tried it all and seen it all, but I promise you, you've never seen anything like this. As this one simple hack that you're about to discover will allow you to heal your gut so you lose 7 pounds of deadly body fat in a week without a single workout, or even leaving your sofa, as you enjoy all your favorite foods while you free yourself from all your obesity-related health issues such as heart attacks and stroke, low energy, arthritic and joint pains, high blood pressure and other obesity-related issues. That will melt off 1 to 2 pounds of pure body fat in your sleep every night, and within just 7 days, you'll wake up rejuvenated, full of youthful energy, and notice that your excess belly fat is diminishing and your love handles starting to vanish. And those nagging joint pains will be gone once your excess fat that's been adding wear to your joints melts away. You'll experience a surge of energy to spend time with your loved ones, and most importantly, you'll be free of any potentially life-threatening diseases such as type 2 diabetes, hypertension, heart disease, stroke and other obesity-related issues. And in just a few short weeks, you'll wake up, look at your reflection in mirror with your chin high in the air, shoulders back, with a sparkle in your eye as you see your flat belly, slim waist and the lean body that you've always desired smiling confidently back at you. One simple hack using a unique ratio of herbs and spices that has already been scientifically proven in his labs to boost your metabolism and force your body to produce more gut bacterial that helps your body dissolve your food properly so it's used as energy and not fat. You see, this specific ratio uses some herbs like capsicum, which heats your internal system to burn calories as if you were working out. Turmeric, which forces your stomach to produce more acidic bile that helps your body melt away fat. Fenugreek, which is packed full of fiber that helps keep you full. Or ginseng, which is an ancient Asian herb that's like cayenne peppers on steroids, heating up your body as if you did a full workout without doing anything, while it also triggers your digestive system so you produce more gut bacteria that helps you digest your food. And several more. But the real secret is when you combine a few simple tricks and these herbs in a special golden ratio that supercharges their effect. To allow your body to boost your metabolism and produce more acidic bile in your stomach so you dissolve all your stubborn fats such as your belly fat, love handles, and even stubborn back fat. This is exactly how the Marines take regular civilians and gets them combat ready in less than 4 weeks. Introducing Lean Body Hacks. The Lean Body Hacks. In this manual, you will discover the scientifically proven secret herbal combinations to repair your gut health and boost your metabolism to build a lean and trim body. You will find secret golden ratio of spices that will help you melt away your stubborn fat and reduce your risk of developing heart-related issues by 33%. A simple dietary trick that boosts the happy endorphins in your body, making you happier and more energetic in as little as 24 hours. What vegetables to consume if you want to stay fuller longer, and what vegetables you must avoid when trying to lose fat. You'd be surprised how certain veggies could force your body to lay down layers of fat around your trouble spots. Simple 10-second tricks to turn on your metabolism and fat-burning hormones. Breathing rhythm exercises to help opens your cells to accept more oxygen. Now, the secret golden ratio of spices can be ingested in 2 ways: used to cook your everyday meals as outlined in the blueprint, or you can enjoy a delicious cup of herbal tea from your Lean Body Hacks Detox Tea. This is the secret golden ratio of herbs and spices in a done-for-you tea guide. This guide gives you all the Lean Body Hacks Detox Tea recipes that you can make right at home. Remember, all the spices and herbs can be easily located in your local grocery store, but you must follow the secret golden ratio and the drinking periods. This book will give you all the recipes that you need to skyrocket your metabolism and heal your gut so that your body starts to burn off all your deep stubborn body fat hour after hour from the moment you drink this tea. Lean Body Hacks 21-Day. This is the detailed 21-day done-for-you guide that tells you exactly what you need to do to lose 7 pounds every single week without any exercises, diets, or even making a single change to what you eat. Check it out now. Get for more information below of the description. #lornephil